going to be doing a quick weave side part, and we're just going to be getting right into the video. So as you can see, I already did my braid down. It's kind of messy, but as long as your braid down is flat, the install is going to be perfectly fine. When doing the perimeter with the hair glue, as you're going around the perimeter, just make sure you do the outline just right, which is why I outline with concealer, because that makes it easier for you to see exactly where you're going to be putting all that glue. And all in the middle, that's where you're going to place the bonder. So what I'm spreading right now all over my head, that's the bonder, which is also, you know, the protector for your hair, because you should never just automatically put glue on the cap. And make sure it's a regular wig cap. Do not use an HD mesh cap, because girl, I used that one time and I had glue all in my actual hair. So make sure it's the thicker cap and not the thin one. So right now I'm just making sure I pack on some bonder to make sure I have, you know, that protection, because I learned my damn lesson. And yeah, also make sure you have your wig cap over the ear and you cut a hole like you're doing a wig install, because I just feel like that just helps with the placement so much more. It keeps the cap in place from moving all over the place. Make sure that protecting is dried down, and yeah, once you feel like it's dried enough, that's when you're just gonna go in and start putting the glue on the track and laying the track down and blow drying each piece. And that's what we're gonna do now. This is what I mean when I say make sure you outline. And since I already have the concealer down, you see how easy it is just to follow that lining instead of having to guess with glue. Most people cut it at the end, but I like to cut it a little bit earlier, and then I'll touch up and cut the pieces that are still showing at the end. Now it's time to add the bundles. First, I like to measure and see how much I'm going to use, because I order extra bundles, but you know what I noticed for a quick weave? You really don't need that much hair. Go to the hair store, please get you some cheap hair. I only got this because I know I'm going to be using this for a minute. Now I'm just taking out these messy ass braids that I did so I can blend in my leave out and make sure, you know, it blends well. So this is the outcome of the quick weave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And yeah.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling,